Hapdeng ke jing bom hun bat ko ngu kinong dia madan ki badan hakendailan halor ke jing thumu go sarkar ban pin kriano iki shikawai pat ka jaka kabla pin kriya da ka Shillong Municipal Board u Deputy Chief Minister ka jila uba Prestone tengsong haka artering unai tung arja apusan haka jing kran bat kilat pathai KHUBOR ulo ong bo umla ban pin Sngewthuh Kumno kini kibriu ki Wanrah Kum Kine ka Jingeh haba nakaliang ka sarkar kalalia ikababhata meki ulo ongru bahaki babun ki jingyalang kila juya keren bon ki babnya nalor kata ulo ong maka sarkar kamdei ka Shuh Bret yaki.
The door is still open. I keep saying this. I think 100 times I've already told you that the door is still open. If they want to talk, we are ready for talk.
From a government side, will you take any initiative of contacting their interlocutor for
As I said to you, the door is open from our side. It is up to them whether the door is open or not, or whether the window is open or not. It is up to them to decide. If they want to contact us, we are ready. I mean, our phone is always open.
By the after
I
this,
think even today the drive is on. And see, let me just tell you one thing. I don't know why people create this kind of problem. Meeting was held. That vending committee has already had a detail of meeting, a series of meeting, and a detail also was worked out. And blueprint was also there. Of course, maybe initially those names which was not considered due to the paperwork where they don't have, ultimately they were not considered to be entitled to that COV, the certificate of vendors. So, but as I said to you, this committee keeps sitting every now and then. So therefore, the decision taken by this committee last time, it is only to implement the decision taken by them, which I personally feel, even from government side, we feel that it is high time that we have a dedicated place for the vendors throughout Shillong. You tell me, which entire thing, what entire thing? You tell me.
They are
They are
demanding.
not happy what?
They are
Pending a provisional committee meeting, vendor committee.
Whether provisional or permanent is it's all the same. It is functional. So, and then they are also part of that committee. It's not that only government officials were there. Even from their side, they were there. They discussed about all the interests of the hawkers. So therefore, I would only request the vendors cooperate. Bring all your issues in this committee. Committee will take care of all the issues. And from the government side also, we don't want to just throw them out. We understand the livelihood of our people. But we, as per the Act, since the Act is in place, we have to also follow strictly the Act and the rules of that Act, which is being implemented by the state government.
The court is hearing the matter tomorrow, so what will be the response of the government?
That how do I know? That let us see what will be the ruling of the court tomorrow.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live stream and dreams. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.